Hey everybody, Dan Kelly here. Just wanted to say hello and just kind of wanted to go through a little bit of the ElMessenger, Elm Connect, Elm Engage system. Just wanted to talk a little bit about the support and kind of what you can expect if you were to become a member or become someone who is either a partner or an affiliate, or if you even just were to buy the tool to use to help your own business. I've been in this group for just about 3 months now. And I got to tell you, a lot of times you'll go out and you'll say purchase a product from XYZ company or just some guru online. And, they tell you, hey, we're here to support you. We're here to take care of you. And you get the product. They send you a little video that barely kind of tells you what you're doing or how to do it. And when you do try to get a hold of someone in support, it's hard. You really have no options in terms of getting any help. That is not what you're going to get at all with this system. I would say Drew and Laura Lynn, who are the people who kind of run this whole show and run this whole group, are probably two of the most responsive and helpful people that I've ever dealt with. They have, if I have questions or if there's anything I need, all I have to do is either message them through Messenger or send them an email, or, if Drew's online and I'm having an issue with something and he has time, he will just literally send me a Zoom, boom, and immediately we'll jump into a live session. He can go over things with me. Granted, they're not going to do the work for you, but they're going to make sure that you know how to get the work done. He's got real simple things that he goes through. And his basic motto is, follow 8 simple steps. Number 1, commit to personal development. And by that, what they mean, and what we all should be doing really, is daily either listening to something that's positive, educational, read 10 pages from a book every day, get connected, reach out to, if you do get into the group, reach out to the new members that are maybe under you, make sure that they know what they're doing, that they're comfortable. Post engaging content daily on your Facebook page, at least 2 posts. And then when you are engaging with people through ElMessenger, try to make up to 5 to 10 connections a day. And then send 1 email out to your list every day to kind of keep them engaged. And then also do a YouTube video once a week, which is sometimes not the easiest thing for everybody. I can say that it hasn't been super easy for me, but I've been pushing through it. And then the final thing is really be here 1 year from now. And I got to admit that when I do all those things, I find myself, the engagement with the people that I have goes way up. Everything just about my day gets better. So, I have sometimes missed a few days here and there, but, it's not about punishing yourself. It's about moving forward and creating, keep going, get those steps done, be consistent. And, that's the thing that they have instilled in me, and I really appreciate everything they've been doing. They're just a really good group of people, and also the people that are in the group that are partners are super responsive. If you ever have a question, you can't for some reason reach Drew or Laurelyn, all the partners that I've gotten to know in this group, I can easily message one of those guys and they're going to give me a response. But I just got to say, I'm super impressed with the training and with all the support and everything that Drew and Laurelyn have done. They're just really good people, and I really encourage you, if you have any interest in a product where you might be somewhat new to it, new to affiliate marketing, if you're looking for a group who's willing to help you be successful and wants you to be successful just as much as you do, then jump on and get in. So I hope that helps with everybody. Hope everybody's doing well. Have a great night. Take care.